Most iPhone users press the side button every single day without realizing how much power is hidden inside that one small click. Apple never explains these features clearly, and many of them are buried deep inside settings, quietly waiting to be used. By the end of this video, you'll look at your iPhone's side button very differently because these are 7 secrets built into it that everyone should know in 2026. The first secret is how the side button can instantly protect your privacy in public. By pressing the side button and either volume button together for just a moment, Face ID is temporarily disabled. This means no one can unlock your phone by holding it up to your face, even if they grab it from your hand. Until you enter your passcode, your data stays locked. This is especially useful in crowded places, during travel, or anytime you want immediate control over your security without opening any settings. The second secret turns the side button into your fastest payment and verification tool. When you double-click the side button, Apple Pay appears instantly, ready to scan your face or fingerprint. But what most people don't realize is that this same double-click is also used to approve App Store purchases, subscriptions, password autofill, and even secure logins inside apps. That tiny motion replaces typing passwords again and again, saving time while keeping your information protected. The third secret lets the side button become a powerful accessibility tool. By enabling accessibility shortcuts and settings, you can click the side button to instantly activate features like voice control, magnifier, assistive touch, or color filters. This isn't just for accessibility needs. Many creators use it to quickly magnify text, reduce eye strain at night, or control their phone hands-free while working or recording content. The fourth secret is a safety feature that can literally save your life. Pressing the side button 5 times rapidly triggers emergency SOS. Your iPhone automatically calls emergency services and can send your live location to trusted contacts. In newer iOS versions, this feature works even faster and can activate silently if needed. It's designed for moments of real danger when unlocking your phone or searching for help isn't possible. The fifth secret allows the side button to control screenshots in smarter ways. A quick press of the side button and volume up captures your screen, but holding the preview lets you capture full page screenshots of entire websites, documents, or long conversations. This is incredibly useful for saving receipts, articles, or online information without taking dozens of separate screenshots. The sixth secret is how the side button interacts with Siri in more advanced ways than just asking questions. Holding the side button can trigger Siri without speaking if voice control is enabled, allowing you to perform actions silently. You can send messages, set reminders, start recordings, or control smart home devices with minimal effort, turning the side button into a quiet command center for your digital life. The final secret is something most people never adjust, but should. In settings, you can control how fast or slow the side button responds to double and triple clicks. If your phone feels unresponsive or too sensitive, adjusting the click speed makes a huge difference. This is especially useful if you accidentally trigger features or struggle to activate them on the first try. The iPhone side button isn't just a power switch. It's a security key, a payment shortcut, an emergency tool, and a productivity booster, all built into one button you already use every day. Once you understand these secrets, your iPhone stops feeling like just a phone and starts working like a tool designed around you.